Scholarly information is a fancy term used to describe writings in multiple formats available in academic libraries like the one at BSU. It's written by researchers and people like your professors, and it uses academic language. It's read by other researchers and professors within a field, but it's also read by students. And it's likely you're going to come across academic, scholarly research and information during your career. The purpose of scholarly information is to report new research or theories or approaches to other people in a field. It oftentimes creates or furthers conversations among those people who then go on to write new research papers and articles and books. Scholarly information is usually published in book form or in a journal. Some scholarly information is available for free. That's called open access resources. But oftentimes, scholarly information actually costs more to access than other types of information. This is why it's really helpful to go to the library so that you can get this information that you'll probably need for free. One term that you're probably going to come across throughout your career is the term peer review. This is an editorial process that's used for journal articles. And it's when an article is submitted to a journal before it is published, that article is assessed and validated by other people within the field that the article is written about to make sure that everything that's been claimed in the article actually is of sound research. The interesting thing about scholarly journal articles and scholarly information in general is that depending on your major, you're probably going to interact with different types of scholarly information. If you go into the hard sciences, for example, physics or nursing, you're probably going to read a lot of evidence-based research with hypothesis and experiments. If you go into the social sciences, like sociology or political science, you're going to read a different type of research, something that collects and analyzes data gathered from either groups or individuals. The humanities have the most unique scholarly information. You're going to read if you're in the English department, for example, or history, book criticism, concept analysis, or historical analysis. So where can you find scholarly information? Well, the Bemidji State University Library, both in person and online, has a ton of it. A lot of scholarly information is only accessible online, so definitely start there and then come into the library if necessary. When you're assigned a research project, which you inevitably will be this semester or the next few semesters, it's very helpful to use the library because you'll be able to access these resources that really you can't get anywhere else without spending a lot of money.